Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to hide blue tick marks in WhatsApp. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for hide blue tick mark or disable read receipt in your WhatsApp. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, if I open my WhatsApp application and then if I open my WhatsApp, for example, if I'm going to see any SMS, if I click here information, we'll see double click normal color means delivered and double click blue color means seen. If you send anyone any messages, if that is delivered, then we will see this double tick to deliver, and if that person is read the message, we will see the scene which is that will be changed it to blue color. So if you like to disable this read receipt option or this blue color skin, then you need to click in your WhatsApp settings section. After that, you need to click here privacy, and then we will see skin appear just like this. You just scroll down and then you will find there's something say read receipt. So I'm going to turn this off. So from now, if I read any person message, that person will not see that I had read his message. Or either if you send someone, if somebody send you any messages and that person will not receive any read receive blue marks. So within this simple way, you can easily disable blue mark streak or disable read receive in your WhatsApp. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.